Before you buy any domain name for your business or personal website, stop. There is a hidden mistake that can completely destroy a website even before it starts. Most people don't talk about it, but today I will. So, if you are planning to buy a domain name soon, this video will save your money, time, and brand reputation as well. Part 1: Why domain history matters. Buying a domain is not just about finding a cool name and clicking purchase. Behind every domain, there is a history, and sometimes that history is dark. Maybe your domain was used before for gambling, adult websites, fake backlinks, or spam content, or even auto generated junk articles. So, if Google has penalized that domain before, even if you create a fresh, clean website, Google still remembers the past. That means your site might not rank on Google, lose traffic for no reason, and never build trust. Part 2. Here we will see step by step how to check domain history. So now let me show you how to check a domain's past in easy steps. So step 1 will be use Wayback Machine. Go to archive.org/web, search your domain name there. You will see snapshots of how the website looked over the years. And you can check if it ever had spammy content or shady links. Step 2. Use Spam Score Checker. Search more Spam Score Checker on Google, paste your domain. If the spam score is more than 30%, that's a red flag. Avoid that domain. Step 3. Check backlinks. Go to any backlink checker tool like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or free tools online. Paste the domain, see where the backlinks are coming from. Are they from legal, trusted websites or from adult, casino, or shady foreign sites? Bad links equals to bad reputation. Step 4. Google search with quotes. Type your domain name in double quotes like this. Quotes yourdomainname.com quotes. So if you see any blog, news, or mentions are linked to it, if it is shows negative content or past misuse, stay away from that domain. Let me share you a quick real story. Someone I know bought a domain that looked amazing, short, clean, and catchy. They started building a blog, got traffic in the first few weeks, and then suddenly traffic dropped to zero. Why? When we checked Wayback Machine, the domain was used before for illegal content. Even though the site was new, Google still punished it for its past. So here's the lesson: always do background checks just like you do before buying second-hand car. So conclusion of this video is, before buying any domain, check it past on Wayback Machine, check spam score, check backlinks, and Google it in quotes. If everything looks clean, go for it, and if anything feels shady, skip it. Your domain is your brand's foundation. Don't build it on a broken ones. So if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with anyone planning to launch a website. And yes, let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this. Don't just buy domains, buy them smartly. If you want to buy a domain, check out the link in description to get the best offer.